Welcome back, my dudes. We're on our way up towards the Gisborne or Gisborne, however it's pronounced, area. And I'm excited to see what the rest of the East Coast is gonna bring. We're on our way up the East Coast. We're already like 30 kilometers north of Gisborne, and I had a great start to the day. It's beautiful, and we're almost at the first stop. So I hope you're excited for what's to come because it already looks fantastic. Nice. We're going somewhere to the right first, so we'll see. The coastline looks beautiful, and I'm really excited for what I may find up here. Yeah, so we're at the first stop at the Tolaga Bay Wharf, and definitely gonna take a walk on that pier now. Wow, that's such a beautiful place with that view over there. It definitely is quite majestic. It's the views like that are the ones that make me excited just driving up the coast, because the coastlines in New Zealand always look so fantastic. Oh, it's such a beautiful country. I can't say it enough. Everybody come to fucking New Zealand. It's amazing. Even if you're not a Lord of the Rings fan. Let's just see what else is gonna be on the way, and I think it's still gonna be amazing. It's so much beautiful landscape. It's wherever I'm gonna stop, it's gonna be sick. starts to get annoying. There's so much road work up here. It's basically as soon as I get up on the speed that I want to drive again, I come around the corner, fucking road work again. It's like, okay, I see the damage, I see that it needs to be done, but it's insane. It gets so annoying. Oh, and that compared to the bad weather right now, it's just frustrating. But maybe the view is gonna be nicer. We'll see. We'll soon at the next stop anyway. Yeah, that is where we stay for the night. Yeah, the weather switch definitely made the day more a driving day than a walking day. But this part of the coastline still was pretty beautiful.